So this morning a mate of mine, Dan, who owns that 100 series behind me, and I were out on a track and we blew the CV. And it was like, no, we're supposed to be out here filming cool four-wheel drive action. Well, in this video, we're going to take you on a little bit of the adventure we've had today of sorting it out. Here at Mad Matt 4Drive, I'm all about educating and building the four-wheel drive community so you can wheel well. I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get all those notifications. So it started out as a beautiful day. We hooked up with one of the local fellows and we're going to tackle some of the tracks down here in Brunswick Junction, which is south of Perth in Western Australia. So we hit the tracks and it was all going great. And we got to the first hill and it's a clay hill and it's rutted out. And Dan's got the front locker on and he's having a go and he's just doing a really nice controlled drive. When he comes in, a little bit of left hand down, locker on, CV explodes. Oh no. I think we just blew a CV, didn't we? Fair dinkum. Oh man, we hadn't even hardly started getting into the action. We did a little bit of a bush repair just to get the drive flange off, just so that we weren't trying to drive that wheel, and limped it back into town here at Australind, where Dan's got a mate, Wayne, who's over there working on the car now, and we started to strip the car down. We had to do a trip up to Perth as well, which is about nearly 2-hour drive north of where we are, and we went and seen the local Terrain Tamer store there. So they've supplied us with a set of full CV shafts, inner CV, outer CV for both sides of the vehicle. So here it is, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to just go through the process of slamming this back together and getting it sorted out so that tomorrow we can go and do it all again. All right, Dan, let's cut this old one open and see what the damage is. Yeah, greasy in your pocket knife. You can see it just falling apart. Wow, look at that. So yeah, there you go. So that's...
bits and pieces.
Yeah, so all the cage, that's the cage there, has exploded. And this is where having cheap parts let you down. So this cage, essentially, it's like you've seen a bearing, you know, a normal wheel bearing. This cage holds all the rollers in place and locates them. Well, it's exploded, it's all fallen apart, that's the end of that. Cheap and nasty, left us without a day of wheeling. Chuck it in the bin, Dan. All right, there she is, all the new CV fitted up. So, time to go and play again. Anyway, guys, it wasn't quite the video we thought we were going to do yesterday, but it was a bit of fun. I'm Mad Matt, stay safe on the trails. A little bit of right hand down, mate.